what's the gooey to chunk ratio?
Have you ever been to an ear cleaning clinic before?
Yo, son. Good.
Who gonna have the filthiest ears?
The sound must be really intense. Man, this is like a horror hallway, man. Where y'all taking me?
Here we go. Why are you guys so far back? Hey everyone, it's me Enim again, and I'm an American living in Japan for about 8 years now, but I have never tried Mimikaki.
Mimikaki, or ear cleaning, is something I've seen other YouTubers try, but I didn't know if regular Japanese people did it, so I asked my friend.
Have you ever been to an ear cleaning clinic before?
No, I've never heard of it.
What do you think it is?
Maybe like maintenance for your ear. I don't know.
Okay.
For your like piercing.
It seems those weird Japan rumors strike again. But anyway, today Papa Tetsu, Gizmo Trini from Kuro Couch,
I will not be getting my ear cleaned because that is weird. Woo!
okay, maybe not Gizmo, but Tetsu and I decided to get our ears cleaned. For our ear cleaning appointment, we decided to go to An Riguru, which you've probably already seen on YouTube.
How you feeling, man?
I'm nervous.
I got faith in you, bro.
Yeah.
You're gonna live up to the name Dutty Boy Testu.
Yeah, Dutty Boy. Oh, look.
Oh, whoa. Oh, snap. Oh, no. They're gonna do y'all dirty.
How often do you clean your ears?
Well, I don't.
Oh, really?
Well, I do, but I don't do so much.
He's like Dutty Boy. Timan Tetsu.
Oh, snap. Oh, no. They're gonna do y'all dirty. Look at this. No. Oh, no. あ、すみません、うるさいです。
So hairy.
うわー。うわー、なにこれ。これ、いや、
If you sign up for the Ear Estee short course like we did, you'll receive an ear cleaning, ear hair trim, and a head and neck massage. And let me tell you, this massage was amazing.
Oh God.
Yeah, right there, girl.
It feels so good. So good.
Ooh, it's monetized. How you feel? Weird? Does it feel like a good kind of weird?
Yeah.
Man, oh no, oh, that is the thumbnail we're looking for, baby. Give him that fire. Give him that fire. これうわ、そうじゃん。絶対に勝ちますよね。絶対に勝ちます。
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I got
again.
faith in you, man.
Right.
Look at that.
What are they talking about? Well, I hate to admit it, but a few moments earlier,
All right, let's make a bet. Who gonna have the filthiest ears?
Yes.
Who gonna have the? I'm gonna put my money. I'm sorry, Dutty Boy Tetsu, but
Yeah.
$5 on it. Enim is gonna have the filthiest ears. $5. Y'all in the comments, listen to me right now. Put it in the comments right now. Lock in your vote. Enim or Dutty Boy Tetsu. Who's gonna have the filthiest ears?
So hairy.
I can't really
I didn't
relax
know
like
that.
But he said so hairy, but the hair is very tiny.
Oh, it's very tiny hair.
Very tiny hair.
Oh, it's just. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a guy that's enjoying life. What are you doing with your life? Watcher, viewer on YouTube. Go out and get your ears cleaned. Does it feel good? How do you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah, look, wow, Dutty Boy Testu. Yo, I feel like you got like some kind of rare mineral or some kind of resource we need to colonize Tetsu's hairs.
My resources. They're taking it. It's taking it.
質問いいですか？
はい。
哲さんの耳はどのぐらい汚いと思いますか？1から5まで。5は一番 この世界に一番汚い耳。
そのぐらい5が世界で一番ぐらいだったら多分2とか
2だけ？おー、
2.5ぐらい。
よかった。そんなにダッティボーイ鉄じゃないね。
そうですね。全然ダーティーボーイじゃないです。
そうよね。よかった。よかった。
平均ぐらいだと思いますよ。
I'm just an average boy.
お、いいね。Average boy Tetsu. It's just good. Clean boy Tetsu. Clean average boy Tetsu.
Yeah, right. I'm just average. ちょっと見えない。
Marie Sauce.
これは右の方ですか？
右だけ。
あ、右だけ。左の方は？
左は
うわ。
And now we're gonna get to see your ear gunk.
Yeah, we're gonna see my ear gunk.
All your chances of they're gone now. Or maybe they went up, you know what I mean?
How you feeling?
I'm nervous.
Are you? Got anything to say to your future suitors that are about to see your ear
Take
gunk?
all of me.
Take it.
Oh God, here we go. Here we
Oh,
go.
let's go. Insertion point, baby.
He's going inside.
手前に全部あ
Oh
り
look,
ます
look, look, look. You can look.
Oh
here.
my. Yo, son. Night at the Wax Museum.
I'm ashamed.
It's okay. We're all filthy sometimes. This, however. Whoa. Yo. Oh my lord. Jesus, Joseph, Mary. 絶対に勝ちますね。絶対に勝ちますね。How's it feel?
It feels like there's something in my ear.
You don't say.
It's like it doesn't hurt.
It's a really weird sensation.
It feels like it's like close to hurting. Oh my God, there's scissors in my ear.
Well, the sound must be really intense, huh? The
Yes.
snipping.
Can you imagine like scissors like in your
In your ear. I can. I'm watching it. He is
He's
out.
out.
He is out. Man.
He's out.
He's out, yeah. I think it's the heat in the room or something. Ooh, that is some gunk, boy. Look at that.
どうして耳かきの会社始めましたか？
もともとは
By the way, this is Tanaka-san, owner of Anriguru. He explained to me that Anriguru was originally just another massage clinic until he combined his love for cleaning ears with his business.
日本語喋れない人も結構来てますので、よかったら来てみてください。興味があれば。
He also explained that oftentimes Westerners have what we call earwax in their ears, while most Asians have a more flaky ear substance in their ears.
鉄の耳の中はどう？
でもちょっとしっとりしてましたね。は少数派？
はい。
なんていうの？マイノリティ。
Minority. Ah, okay.
Apparently Tetsu was a minority though.
これ楽しそう。
私もやってみたいです。
Do this to somebody.
I wanna try.
Ooh.
は
かさぶたですね。
かさぶた？
初めて聞いた。
今日の新しい言葉はかさぶたです。例えば、彼女の耳の中はかさぶたたくさんあります。
たくさんじゃないよ。
私はエニムさんのかさぶた見ました。I'm so stupid. Look at this guy. Went straight to heaven. Never looked back.
大丈夫そうですか？
じゃあ左の方がひどかったな。めっちゃでっかいのなんか入っちゃった。
すごい日本語上手ですね。
それやばい。He's out, man.
Yeah.
Is he out now?
Well, I just have like a vision of you just like.
Oh man. Like you can't have just too much goo and not enough chunk, but then you can't just have like little boulders of gold just
Welcome back.
Yeah, I was totally out.
based on the texture and the quantity. I'm gonna have to say Tetsu.
It's his first time that we met, but you know, like he's gonna know
Inside
more
of
than
you.
other friends.
And more than us.
Yeah, even my best friend doesn't know inside of my ear.
My girl Enim though.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Tetsu, please tell us about the weather in Tokyo, Japan.
Today's weather is
Got just a handful of just yellow air gold.
you did it.
Yeah, come on. Liquid to rocky ratio, professionals as the professionals call it. I will have to definitely say, Enim, she won, no holds barred.
Oh, no, what?
It looks like it's sunny with a slight chance of confusion.
I have confidence that my ear is dirtier than hard.
I don't know, man. Look.
I know.
How are you?